Do you want to be the future of tech? You can be with FutureTech. FutureTech Careers is a new program that will help you jumpstart your career in tech or advanced manufacturing.
Here's the catch. Our program is only for students in the Computer Information Systems Department, Manufacturing Department, or the Computer Support Technician's Job Training Program.
If you fall into that category, you're eligible for FutureTech and its many resources, like work-based learning experiences, power skills trainings, events and networking opportunities, and financial assistance.
We offer work-based learning experiences like paid internships, tickets to conferences, and company tours. Now wait a minute, Linus. You mentioned power skills. What are those?
Power skills are the skills that help you stand out in the job market. They include skills like personal branding, problem solving, and professional relationship building. All of these and more are covered in our Power Skills training.
Oh, that sounds nice. Almost as nice as our events and networking opportunities, aka career conversations. At these events, you'll learn more about tech and advanced manufacturing career pathways and develop professional skills like networking, using LinkedIn, and more.
Finally, we also offer financial assistance in the form of tuition scholarships, bookstore scholarships, and emergency funds, which can help cover the costs of housing, transportation, food, and more.
Enrolling in FutureTech is easy. Just click the link in the video description to find our interest form. After you submit the form, we'll take it from there.